Hey gems, how you doing? So today we're making our own little lace tint, okay? So we're gonna need Ritz dye. I have the color dark brown. You could get this from your local Walmart, your Joann's, I don't know, wherever that sells Ritz dye. I think it was like $3 maybe, $2.99, something like that. In this cup that says sending you big smiles, we have warm, it's simmering down kind of water. We have an empty spray bottle, and then we have iodized salt and our piece of paper that we're going to use to test this bad boy. So it depends on how strong. I only have one color, so I'm not going to do too much, but see, that's a little dark. So I'm going to take some of this. Think that's good enough? If not, it's just gonna be super dark. And then we're gonna take some salt. I need to, like, this is measurement feet. Take a little bit of salt. Ooh. I think that's good. I'm gonna put this cap back on. Shake it all up, shake it all up. And then I'm gonna pour, I hope this doesn't like burn my water bottle. We're gonna take the water in. Oh my gosh, I suck at life. Oh my goodness. I probably could put more or less. I'm gonna need another piece of paper. Shake it again. So here's this is our dark color. If you have different color Ritz, this is gloss paper, so it's gonna run. Yeah, no matter what you do. But this is the color it's gonna spray on your lace. So if you have, this is the only color I have, so if you're darker skin tone, if you're a lighter skin tone, you might want to get a lighter Ritz dye. But I don't know, I only bought dark brown, or you could use less brown and more water to see how it comes out. So this is our, it doesn't stain. And that's our mixture. When I have more colors, I'm gonna try to buy more of the color, more of the Ritz dye, so you guys could see the different tones. And that's it. We have our own Ritz dye. Our own lace tint spray. It's pretty easy, guys. It's not that hard. Okay, have a good day, my gems. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Let your girl know how you feel and whatever else you want to see.